Hey, stop throwing away fruit peels at night because what you eat in the final hours before bed after 60 could either be destroying your brain or rebuilding it cell by cell. Most people think sleep is just rest, like switching off a machine, but science shows something completely different. Your brain becomes highly active and starts a deep repair process. It removes toxic waste, clears harmful proteins, and protects against memory decline. But after 60, this system slows down, and if you don't reach deep sleep, your brain cannot clean itself. This leads to memory loss after 60, cognitive decline, and poor brain function in old age. That's why improving brain health after 60 is critical, and it starts with choosing the right foods for brain health, especially fruits before bed for brain that support brain detox while sleeping and natural brain repair. What's even more fascinating is what happens during deep sleep. Your brain cells shrink by nearly 60%, creating space for fluid to wash away toxins like a pressure cleaning system. If you don't enter this stage, the cleaning never happens, and harmful proteins build up over time, increasing the risk of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and memory problems after 60. Many people struggle with this because their body produces less GABA and serotonin, which are essential for relaxation and sleep. This leads to insomnia, overthinking, and poor sleep quality after 60. That's where natural sleep foods and memory-boosting fruits come in. These are not just snacks. They are powerful brain-boosting foods that help trigger deep sleep, improve mental clarity, and support overnight brain recovery, making them some of the best foods for aging brain. Let's start with the banana, but not the perfect yellow one. The slightly brown spotted banana that most people throw away. This banana is easier to digest and richer in nutrients that support deep sleep naturally. It contains vitamin B6, magnesium, and tryptophan, which help produce melatonin and GABA, the key hormones for better sleep and brain health. Without enough GABA, your brain stays active, leading to poor rest and no brain cell repair overnight. Magnesium acts as a natural relaxant, calming your nervous system, while B6 helps convert nutrients into sleep signals. This is why banana is one of the most powerful memory-boosting fruits and a top brain food for seniors. Eating it 45 to 60 minutes before bed helps activate deep sleep cycle, reduce stress, and support overnight brain healing. Next is the apple, and this is where most people make a major mistake. They peel it. The peel contains quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that protects neurons from damage caused by free radicals, which are responsible for brain aging, memory decline, and slow thinking after 60. This compound strengthens the blood-brain barrier, reduces inflammation, and supports long-term brain health after 60. Apples also contain pectin, a fiber that feeds healthy gut bacteria. These bacteria produce compounds that travel to your brain and stimulate BDNF, a growth factor that helps create new neural connections, improving memory power, focus, and brain performance. This makes apple one of the most effective best foods for aging brain and essential for natural memory improvement. Eat it 2 hours before bed, but avoid apple juice because it spikes sugar, increases inflammation, and disrupts brain detox while sleeping and overnight brain repair. Now let's talk about the orange, and again, people eat it wrong by removing the white layer called pith. That part contains hesperidin, which improves blood circulation and keeps your blood vessels flexible. Your brain needs a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients, and poor circulation leads to brain fog, slow memory recall, and reduced brain function in old age. Hesperidin increases nitric oxide, helping blood vessels relax and improving flow to the brain. This is essential because the brain's cleaning system depends on blood vessel movement to remove toxins. Without proper flow, waste builds up, leading to memory problems after 60 and reduced mental sharpness. This makes orange one of the most underrated fruits before bed for brain and a powerful brain-boosting food for seniors. Eat it 90 minutes before sleep with the pith to support brain circulation, oxygen flow, and overnight brain recovery. Now here's the most important part, the timing. You don't eat all these fruits at once. You follow a structured routine: apple 2 hours before bed, orange 90 minutes before, and banana 45 to 60 minutes before sleep. This sequence aligns perfectly with your body's digestion and sleep cycle, creating the ideal environment for deep sleep, brain detox while sleeping, and brain cell repair overnight. If you are diabetic or concerned about sugar, you can reduce portions and combine these fruits with nuts to stabilize blood sugar, while still benefiting from these memory-boosting fruits and natural brain foods. So tonight, don't just go to sleep. Prepare your brain to heal, recharge, and rebuild. Because after 60, your habits determine whether your brain becomes stronger or weaker with time. Are your nightly habits supporting your brain health after 60, or slowly damaging it without you even realizing it? If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more brain health tips, memory improvement strategies, and natural ways to boost brain power, because the small changes you make today can completely transform your mind tomorrow.